Hi everyone, today we're going to be building a Bullseye. But before we get into this, YouTube is showing me that 88% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So if you do like what I do on this channel, please do think about subscribing down below. It really goes to help support what I do on this channel. Also over on Instagram, Rodian_builds, and go follow me over there. Sick merch down below as well. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. There we go everyone, one Bullseye finished. And I'll tell you what, it's been a long time since I've done one of these. Probably only ever done about 5 in my life, 1 at college and then 3 or 4 out in the real world. So yeah, good fun doing this. A few things I would like to improve on going forward. There's a few large joints here and there. I have been sort of racing against the light because as you can most probably tell I'm losing light here. So the top half I sort of almost rushed a bit. If I had more time I would have cut those a little bit smaller. The voussoirs, I had a bit of trouble cutting those. My Bosch bench saw that I've been using doesn't really work very well to cut these. So I've been using my Husqvarna grinder, my big one. But again, these are fiddly cuts. So if anyone's got any opinions on a better way to cut bricks, please do let me know down in the comments. So apart from that, that's it's pretty good. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Yeah, so if anyone has done any bullseyes or are doing any bullseyes, please do tag me them over on Instagram. My Instagram is Rodian_builds. If you enjoy the videos I do here, then there are playlists down in the description for my Bricklaying for Beginners, the house build series, my 2 Minute Tuesday series, and also the vlogs I do with my wife Holly. So please do go down there and check them out. That being said, we'll leave it there for today. So please do leave a like down below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you aren't already. Ring that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Remember, bricks laid, wages paid. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So take care. I'll see you then. Ta-ra.